Hey, this is Morgan. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to play the worship song, "'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus." As always, in the description below, there's a link to the chord chart, which contains the lyrics and when to play the particular chords, and also have links to the actual chords that I am playing, how to finger them. Talking about rhythm, this song has or the way I'm playing it is kind of accented on the 1 and the 3. So I'm not going to give you guys a specific rhythm to play, but if you accent your 1 and 3 beats, it's going to sound pretty good. This is in 4/4. If you need help, don't know where to play, you can just play straight 8 notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just accenting, making sure to accent the 1 and the 3. And throughout this tutorial, when I play, I will be jumping around with my rhythms. I am somewhat loose with playing rhythms, but I will be trying to accent the 1 and the 3. So for chords, this song is in the key of D. So we have a D chord, a G, an A, and then an A sus4. So those are the 4 chords that I'm going to be playing, and the A sus4 only shows up once. So to talk about the particular, so over the song there's a verse chorus section, and there are 4 verses, so you'll play verse chorus, verse chorus, verse chorus, verse chorus all the way through. And so talking about the verse, it starts off with D for measure, goes back to G, and then a D, stay on the D for another measure, go to a G, to an A, and back to a D, to rest, to a G, to a D, promise, and to the G, no, thus saith, that's A suspended 4, to an A, to a D. So the A suspended 4, A, and D all happen in successive beats. So I'll just play A sus4, A, D. It happened pretty quickly. So I'll play through that. Rhythm-wise, I'll play through it. I just won't sing. The second time I'll play through it, I'll sing the lyrics as I play. Remember, I'm accenting the 1 and the 3 beats for each measure. Trust in Jesus. Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus, and you take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise, and to know thus saith the Lord. Jesus. So that's the verse. Pretty simple. Just always kind of going back to that D almost. The chorus is very similar, pretty much the exact same, with the exception of 2 spots. We play an A instead of a D in the first phrase, and then we don't play that A sus4 on the last. So I won't play through that. I'm telling you each chords, but I will play through it once without singing, and then come back through and play through it again using the lyrics. Jesus, Jesus. Wait. No, sorry. Jesus, Jesus, trust him now, o'er and o'er. Precious Jesus, 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 how I trust So that's the chorus. It is pretty simple and pretty similar. I'll play the transition between the verse and the chorus. I'll usually just play a measure of D in between. So I'll start off on that A suspended 4. Thus saith the Lord, Jesus, Jesus, how I trust Him, how I prove Him o'er and o'er. And then after you play a chorus, you can go straight into the next verse, or you can play through like the first 5 chords of the verse and then start them over again. So I'll give you guys a demo of that. Oh, for grace to trust Him more. The G, D. So that might have been a little hard to kind of pick up, but I played the "'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus" and to take Him at His word. I played those chords, but I didn't sing. So you can do that. You can just kind of stay on that D for a little while. It's kind of up to you. Whatever sounds right to you. You can experiment a little bit, and then just play whichever you feel more comfortable or whatever is easiest for you. Yeah, that's kind of the whole song. Just that A sus4. Make sure you practice the transition. And just, I guess as a little caveat for that, if you Google A sus4, like how to play it, you're probably going to come up with a fingering that's different than how I'm playing on the video. Because the A is played right after the A sus4. The way I'm fingering this is I'm playing a normal A, and then just putting my pinky down on the B string. Yeah, you can kind of see it on the B string on the on the 2nd fret. And then as soon as I lift my pinky up, I already got an A there. Yeah, but if you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. Other than that, I wish you guys luck playing the song, and you'll be hearing from me again soon. Bye.